Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have cellular signal or Wi-Fi calling since voicemail depends on your carrier. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open the phone app. Next, tap the voicemail tab in the bottom left. This brings up visual voicemail if available. If you see a list of messages, you're connected. If not, the call voicemail button or a prompt appears. Tap it to proceed. This step gets you into the voicemail interface quickly so you can retrieve messages. Now select a voicemail from the list to load its controls. You'll see play, pause, scrub, delete, and share icons. Press play to listen. You can pause and scrub the timeline to review a portion, which is helpful for jotting down numbers. Tap the info I icon to view the caller's number, date, and duration. This explains context without replaying. If you want to save or forward a message, use the share sheet. Make sure to confirm successful sending before deleting the original. To call back, tap the caller's number or the call back button. Your iPhone will place the call using your carrier. If voicemail won't load or play, toggle airplane mode off and on, restart the phone, and make sure carrier settings are updated. This often fixes network glitches. If problems persist, contact your carrier to reset voicemail or check provisioning. Finally, verify visual voicemail setup in Settings phone. Doing this prevents recurring access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.